I'm hurting while I'm with you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Leah, aka Kenya's Finest. Today I am doing another Alipearl hair review, and I have teamed up with Tina's Techniques, and she did my hair. Guys, look at this. Tina just did it again. Like, if you saw the previous video, which I'll put up here, it was also an Alipearl hair. Guys, Tina just does the damn thing. This hair is so beautiful. I am honestly in love. I look like Ariel. This is a 22-inch dark 35 body wave, and it's a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it's 180% density. I honestly feel like this hair looks way longer than 22 inches. Like, it literally reaches my bum, so it's pretty long. I feel like Alipearl hair is long. Like, even if you get like an 18, it will feel like a 22-inch. I really love this hair. The hair is super soft, and I just feel like it's easy to like style. And guys, I'm just obsessed. Like, I'm obsessed with this hair, and I'm obsessed with Tina, because I wouldn't have been able to do my hair like this if it wasn't for her. So yeah, make sure you guys continue watching the video to see how she did my hair, and make sure you book her and shop Alipearl hair, because it's the best hair that you can ever get, period.
See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way until I stay. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. I'm hurting while I'm with you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. And oh, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting while I'm with you. Without you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. I trust in you, I trust in you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. When I get straight to leave.
Good day in my mind, seem to take a step out. Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing listening. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Sometimes I read a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make sense of those chains, got me a war in my mind. Let go, rain can't keep us holding me. Choose the right, but it will break up in front of me. Oh, I read my own feelings now. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good day, noise always inside. Good day, living in my mind. Help me on my mind, fears my limitations. I disappear if you let me. Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe. We lost this shit, gotta hold my course to be alone.